Okay guys, so I have another Knitcrate unboxing video for you. So for those of you that don't know, Knitcrate is a monthly yarn subscription service. So they have a wide variety of different subscription models, which they call boxes. And each month is a new theme. So this month's theme is Modern Primary. And for that month, every box has the same theme. And then when the next month rolls around, they pick a different theme, and the yarn goes with that theme. So for their Knitcrate, you get 2 skeins of premium yarn, and this month, it is actually worsted weight. So in the past, I've gotten a lot of fingering weight from them, but this is a worsted weight, so it's 100% superwash merino, and you get 180 yards per skein. So it's this kind of really interesting mix of purple, teal, blue, and kind of a, I don't know, a caramel color, I guess. I'm really interested to see how this is going to knit up. So you get 2 skeins, and you also get 2 patterns. You get a crochet pattern, and you get a knit pattern. So for $24.99, you get 2 skeins of yarn and 2 patterns and free shipping, which I think is a steal because most hand-dyed yarn is around $25 per skein. So getting 2 skeins and 2 patterns for that is a really good deal. So while you do get 2 patterns, you don't have to use these patterns specifically with the yarn that you get. You could use a different pattern with the yarn you get, and you can use these patterns for different yarn that you have in your stash. So you get a download code, and you can just go ahead and download both patterns, and then you have the yarn to do whatever you want with. So I think I'm going to make a really fun hat for a Christmas gift because it's never too early to start. I feel like if I start now, maybe I'll have all my gifts done by Christmas, but who knows? So you can get 20% off a multiple month subscription from them using my code BlueMouse20. So that is their Knitcrate. And then I also got their sock crate to try, which has been my personal favorite of all their crates so far. So with their sock crate, you get 1 skein of premium yarn and 1 sock knitting pattern. So this looks like a very basic vanilla sock, but there's a little bit of a twist underneath the foot, and it's a different kind of heel than I've seen before. So I'm interested to download that and see how that works out. So with Knitcrate, it's a surprise colorway. It's a surprise theme and it's a surprise colorway. So you don't know what colors you're going to get. So if you like very specific small groups of colors, this is probably not for you unless you want to make a gift out of the yarn that you're getting. But that being said, I'm not really into crazy funky colors, but I do have to say I love a good funky colored sock. I think that's one of the things that you can kind of get away with it if you don't typically like bright colors. It's kind of fun to make a fun, funky sock. So that's what I'm going to do with these, and I'm either going to keep them for myself because it's green, or I'm going to gift them at Christmas. I haven't fully decided. But this is really, really soft yarn. I really like it. It's an 80-20 mix, and you get 400 yards. So I'm very excited to start working with these. I've loved working with my sock crate yarn in the past few months. I've knit up a couple pair of socks already using it, and 1 pair I just finished, and I'm wearing them all the time. So I'm not always crazy about the colors, but I do have to say that the quality is always good. So if you are excited about really fun colors or the possibility of fun colors, then this is probably something that you would enjoy. And you can try it and get a 20% off coupon from me if you want. There's no pressure at all to do this. But if you are interested in surprise yarn mail every month, I think you'll enjoy this. And for the price, it is really a good deal. A sock crate is $19.95 a month, which includes free shipping. So getting a skein of sock yarn and a pattern for less than 20 bucks shipped to you is a really, really good deal. And then getting 2 skeins of Knitcrate for $24.99, including free shipping, and you get 2 patterns, is a really, really good deal. If you go to your local yarn shop, I'd say it's harder to find a better deal than 2 skeins for $24.99, including 2 patterns. And there's a link below if you want to try it. So thanks for watching, guys. This has been another unboxing video, which I always enjoy doing. I like yarn, so I like unboxing it and showing you what I got. So I'll see you guys in the next video.